In this video, we'll talk about seed retention versus NoFap. Which one is better? Monk mode. Seed retention is a practice rooted in certain spiritual and traditional beliefs, focusing on abstaining from ejaculation to conserve energy and enhance vitality. NoFap, on the other hand, is a modern movement primarily aimed at abstaining from pornography and masturbation to address issues related to sexual health and addiction. The key difference lies in their underlying motivations and the specific behaviors they target. In today's world, many are discovering the profound impact of channeling their energy towards productive and positive endeavors, specifically when it comes to practices like NoFap. But why is this important, and how can it change your life? Today, I'm going to share with you the incredible benefits and techniques of harnessing this energy for self-improvement. We're diving deep into a transformative journey by going over 10 steps. Remember, you'll want to stick around until the very end because each point I'm about to share is crucial, with the last one being the most important. Keep watching. Number 1. Understanding the power of self-control. Firstly, it's essential to understand that self-control and discipline are at the core of this practice. The idea is not about suppression, but rather about redirecting your energy. You might have heard that retaining this energy can lead to a noticeable glow and an increase in attraction. This isn't just about physical benefits. It's about the mental strength you gain. Number 2. The impact of peer influence. Now, let's talk about peer influence. You might find people trying to sway you from your path. Remember, their perspective often stems from their own choices and experiences. It's not about joining in with the crowd. It's about setting your own standards and sticking to them. Continue viewing the video, as the upcoming step is very important. Number 3. Bouncing back from setbacks. If you've experienced setbacks, it's not the end. Failing doesn't mean you've lost the war. It's an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Take a cold shower, refocus on your goals, and jump back into the fight with even more determination. Number 4. Harnessing sexual energy. Harnessing your sexual energy is a powerful tool. It's about channeling this immense source of power into productive activities. Smart men use this energy as a force for positive change, turning it into a source for achieving great things. Stay tuned to the video. The next part is really vital. Number 5. NoFap and its advantages. NoFap isn't about denying yourself. It's about not wasting your potential for momentary pleasure. Think about the energy you conserve and how it can be used to outperform in various aspects of life, be it in discipline, willpower, or productivity. Number 6. Feeling the change. You might not feel the change immediately, but give it time. After a few weeks, you'll start noticing a shift in your energy levels. This energy should be directed towards productive tasks, like working out or setting goals. The most important step is coming up. Keep watching. Number 7. Momentum is key. Once you start feeling this energy, it's crucial to maintain momentum. Don't fall back into unproductive habits. Keep yourself busy with meaningful activities that align with your goals. The key to sustaining this momentum lies in setting clear, achievable goals and breaking them down into daily actions. By focusing on these small, daily steps, you ensure that each day contributes to your larger vision. This approach helps in creating a structured routine that maximizes productivity while minimizing the risk of falling into unproductive habits. Keeping yourself engaged in activities that are not only goal-oriented but also personally fulfilling can transform your energy into tangible results, reinforcing your commitment to this path of self-improvement and growth. The most important step is coming up. Keep watching. Number 8. The aura of change. As you progress, you'll notice subtle changes in how you interact with others. Your speech, eye contact, even your handshake will exude confidence and energy. This transformation extends beyond mere physical interactions. It permeates into your mental and emotional realms as well. You'll find that your thoughts and feelings align more closely with your goals, fostering a mindset of resilience and optimism. Your conversations become more meaningful, your relationships deepen, and your influence grows. This energy becomes a magnet, attracting like-minded individuals and opportunities that resonate with your elevated state of being, creating a positive cycle of growth and connection. Almost at the most important step, keep watching. Number 9. Staying productive. Productivity is the key to sustaining this newfound energy. Falling into comfort and boredom can derail your progress. Always challenge yourself and feed the good wolf within you. Maintaining this energy also requires a keen awareness of your daily habits. It's the small, consistent actions that build the foundation for long-lasting change. Whether it's pursuing a new skill, enhancing your physical fitness, or dedicating time to a passion project, these activities fuel your inner drive. By engaging in tasks that challenge and excite you, you not only utilize your energy effectively, but also cultivate a sense of purpose and achievement, keeping the momentum of your personal growth steady and strong. Now, for the most important step. Number 10. Choosing the right path. Every moment, you have a choice. Will you give in to momentary desires, or will you strive for something greater? Remember, you have incredible potential within you. In this journey of self-improvement, it's crucial to recognize that your actions today shape your future. Opting for immediate gratification may seem appealing, but it often leads to fleeting satisfaction. In contrast, consistently choosing discipline and long-term goals cultivates a sense of accomplishment and self-worth that lasts. Your potential is not just a latent talent within, it's a beacon guiding you towards making choices that align with your deepest values and aspirations. By consciously making decisions that reflect your higher goals, you set a course towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. 10 transformative steps in harnessing your energy for a better, more fulfilling life. Each step is a building block towards becoming the role model you are destined to be. If you've relapsed, remember, it's not the end. Stand up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. You're not just doing this for yourself, but for the legacy you'll leave behind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. We're here to support each other on this journey of growth and self-improvement. Keep pushing forward. Click the link to view the next powerful video.